Alright, the shrimp is in its marinade. The vegetables have been going ahead and marinating, and the rice has absorbed all the liquid. So what we're going to do with that is we're going to take our spinach and pick out about 10 leaves. Throw that in the pot. And then we're going to go ahead and stir them in with our rice until they begin to wilt. We're going to add our top again to let them steam up. We're going to go ahead and plate the rest. So we're going to give our cilantro, chili lime veggies another quick stir. Place these here in the back. And because we use cilantro, I'm going to pick off some leaves to mark them and garnish them. We're going to take our shrimp, which is now fully cooked in our marinade, and we're going to take a small amount of the vegetables and create a bed. A nice colorful bed for our shrimp. We'll place our lemons on top. Take a nice big scoop of our rice. Then we're going to take a piece of our lemon. We're going to cut a ring. From that ring, we're going to cut almost all the way through. We're going to put that over our lemon. So here we have chili, lime, sesame oil, vegetables with our toasted cumin, spinach, and carrot rice with our poached lemon shrimp.